Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get void check in a CIBC app. It's really easy and simple. You first need to open up the CIBC mobile app, sign in with your username and password, okay, or the biometric login. Now, what you need to do is on the home screen, select the account for which you need a void check. You want to look for an option like, manage my account or account details. Okay, then what you want to do is scroll down and tap on a direct deposit info or void check. Okay, and a digital version of the void check will appear, basically displaying your account number, your transit number, right, your institution number. Okay, and for CIBC it's actually 010. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and tap on the download or share icon to save the void check as a PDF. And to email it, just tap on share. And you can send it to yourself or the recipient. And to print, you just open up the file on your device and use a printer. Okay? It's really that easy and simple, guys. And if it's unavailable in the app, you can go to the online banking portal and you could access it from there as well. It's really that easy and simple, so I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.